This planet rains diamonds, and it's not Earth. Deep inside Neptune and Saturn, methane gas gets crushed under extreme pressure. The carbon atoms crystallize into actual diamonds, potentially millions of carats in size. These diamond chunks rain down like a cosmic treasure storm. Scientists prove this by recreating these conditions in labs. Saturn produces 1,000 tons of diamonds yearly, enough to make everyone on Earth rich. The diamonds eventually melt and reform, creating an endless cycle. This happens on thousands of planets across our galaxy.